Hey guys, it's Vanessa here and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a little minute since I've done a flip through of my daily project for 2020. This is just where I go in with some thoughts for the day and just try to use up my scrap stash. So I thought I'd go ahead and give you a little flip through here of how I worked this project through February and I believe through all of March. Most of this is just coming from my little scrap bowl, just trying to go through there and bust through all the little bits and pieces that I've held on to. I even went in with some custom-made transparency pieces like these XOs that you see here, just playing around with some fonts and transparency, different mediums. It is a great way to use up some of those little bits that are left over from kits and other little projects like that. This one's even some watercolor that I made into a digital format. That was fun just to go in there and play and try with that. A lot of these have some interactive elements. As you can see here, you can pull those little twigs in or out from behind that rainbow. And then this was my first chance of using some of my own bits and bobs set from Illustrated Faith's Print and Pray shop. So I was definitely excited to put those to use in my daily project. Once again, just using up some of my pieces from some older kits. I love using fabric. Once again, going in with some more of my digital set. I even used some packaging. This was some that I had printed out onto some tissue paper. So if you haven't tried that, that was a lot of fun to do. It's also a great way to use up those cards, those thank you cards that come in the Illustrated Faith kits. They're the perfect size to get a couple of cards out of. I love going in and fussy cutting fabric. You can kind of see just all the different scraps layered on top of each other here. Here's some more of my own little scratches and sketches that I have used in my project. I love these little florals. These used to be in the Illustrated Faith shop. But they're acetate vintage florals and I love them. I love putting them on everything. It kind of hurt me a little bit to put them in this project, but I love this project just as much. So that was the day I got a lot of things done after being in social distancing for a while. And here's my final one for March. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm definitely enjoying this project. And just leave me a comment below with any questions.